What exactly is the IFBB Nordic Academy Advanced Resistance Training course? Simply put, this is where you master the science of muscle growth with expert guidance. As the founder of IFBB Nordic Academy and your instructor for this course, I'm committed to taking your understanding of building muscle and resistance training to the absolute highest level. This isn't just another course. It's a comprehensive program specifically designed for those ready to elevate their coaching skills to true IFBB professional standards. How do we do that? By focusing on evidence-based methods, the science that actually works, and showing you how to apply it practically in your coaching. If you're serious about transforming your approach to resistant training and becoming an elite coach, then I invite you to join me. Let's dive deep into the mechanics and science of building better physiques. Let's look at how the course operates and what makes it effective. As you saw, our main goal is to lift your coaching practice to the IFBB professional level. We do this by combining deep scientific understanding, covering muscle hypertrophy, adaptation, biomechanics, and physiology, with the advanced practical application. The core concepts you'll master include biomechanics, detailed muscle anatomy relevant to bodybuilding, evidence-based hypertrophy principles, and importantly, our unique IFBB Watch method designed for optimized results. Structurally, the course blends live interaction with self-paced learning. We kick off with an intensive live online weekend on Zoom. Upon enrolling, you get immediate access to our learning platform. This contains all the pre-recorded lessons and extensive downloadable PDF materials, over 500 pages in total. After the main weekend, you also have the option to join 2 more live sessions for discussion and Q&A to reinforce your learning. The outcome? After successfully completing the course material and the final examination, you will earn a globally recognized IFBB certification, validating your advanced expertise in resistance training. So, what specific skills will you gain from this advanced course? We focus on building a comprehensive skill set as shown in this pyramid. At the top, you achieve scientific mastery, a really deep understanding of hypertrophy science. What actually makes muscles grow? Next is practical application. This means getting hands-on with exercise selection, detailed technique analysis, and effective program design. Then comes individualization. You'll learn how to stop using cookie cutter plans and start tailoring programs specifically to your clients' unique needs and their individual biomechanics. We also cover training optimization. This involves mastering how to manipulate training variables like volume, intensity, and frequency, and knowing when and how to use advanced techniques effectively. And forming the base is biomechanical expertise. This is crucial. You'll learn to analyze movement deeply and apply biomechanical principles, including our unique IFBB SE method. Ultimately, this skill set will transform your coaching. You'll move way beyond generic programs. You'll be equipped to create truly personalized, effective training experiences based on solid evidence and biomechanical principles, allowing you to deliver superior results for your clients. Let's break down specifically what you'll learn in the Advanced Resistant Training course. We cover several key areas. First, the scientific foundations. You'll truly master the science behind muscle growth, including concepts like muscle protein synthesis, time under tension, and the principles of muscle fiber recruitment that really drive hypertrophy. We'll look at things like the length-tension relationship you see illustrated here and how sarcomeres function. Next, program design. This is about application. You'll learn exactly how to optimize training variables, volume, intensity, frequency, and load, and how to effectively balance compound and isolation exercises for maximum results. Then we move into advanced strategies. This includes implementing different periodization models, understanding deloading protocols, and using specialized techniques like supersets, drop sets, and rest pause methods intelligently. Finally, biomechanics and anatomy. You'll gain a deep understanding of joint mechanics and muscular function. This includes learning our specific IFBB SCOH method, which leverages biomechanics for precision training and helps enhance that important mind-muscle connection. It's about understanding how the body creates force and movement. So, who exactly is the course intended for? Let's break it down. Are you an aspiring elite coach? If you're looking to develop deep expertise in resistant training and achieve coaching skills at the IFBB professional level, this is designed for you. Are you an experienced trainer? If you already have a solid foundational understanding of training principles but want to advance far beyond the basics, this course provides that next level. Please note, this is not suitable for complete beginners. That foundational knowledge is important. Are you a physique specialist? If your coaching focuses specifically on bodybuilding and physique enhancement, and you want to implement more precise, evidence-based methods, you'll find exactly what you need here. Finally, are you a committed professional? This course is for anyone truly dedicated to continuous learning and committed to elevating fitness industry standards through the scientific application of training principles. If you fit into one or more of these categories, then this advanced program is likely a great fit for your professional development. You might wonder what sets us apart from other courses. Our approach has a few key differences. First is our deep biomechanics focus. We go beyond just how to do exercises. We teach you the why, the underlying mechanical principles. This empowers you to analyze movement and even create exercise variations based on solid principles, rather than just memorizing routines. Second is the IFBB SCOH method. This is our unique biomechanically informed training methodology, strength curve optimized to hypertrophy. It's developed exclusively here at the Academy and designed specifically to optimize muscle growth by manipulating the strength curve through exercise selection. Third is our commitment to an evidence-based approach. We emphasize tailoring programs using current scientific research. We believe this is the ethical standard for professional coaching, ensuring your methods are effective and credible. Finally, you get expert instruction. The course is led by myself. I bring my academic background as a PhD student focused on fitness athletes, combined with extensive practical experience within the IFBB and years of coaching. We focus on bridging the gap between theory and real-world coaching scenarios. These elements combine to offer a distinct and highly effective learning experience. So why should you consider joining the course right now? Let's look at some key reasons. First, you'll achieve IFBB professional level expertise. This means mastering biomechanics for superior results and safety for your clients, while also learning our unique and effective IFBB SCOH method. Second, you'll become skilled in evidence-based program design. You'll gain the ability to create truly individualized training plans that are based on solid scientific principles, moving away from guesswork and towards predictable results. Third, you gain global recognition. Upon successful completion, you earn a respected IFBB certification. This comes from a leading Nordic institution known for quality, and you benefit from experienced instruction throughout the course. Finally, this course will help you elevate your professional standing. It's designed to transform your coaching practice and position you clearly as an elite fitness professional within the industry. If these points resonate with your goals, now is a great time to take the next step in your coaching career. So, are you ready to truly master the science of muscle growth and take your coaching to the next level? With this course, you get expert instruction. You learn directly from IFBB professionals like myself who have both strong academic backgrounds and extensive practical experience in the field. You'll build your coaching on a solid scientific foundation using evidence-based principles and cutting-edge research in muscle physiology, not just relying on trends or anecdotes. And this directly leads to career advancement. You can elevate your professional standing with globally recognized IFBB credentials and demonstrably superior coaching skills. If you're ready, I encourage you to enroll today. Take the step toward becoming an elite IFBB coach. Please visit our website to learn more and get started with mastering the science of muscle growth. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the course.